Yeah, you know what it is. We out here. We got the Thanos glove, man. You know, I got the diamonds. We got the drip right here. You see, my wrist's so cold. I'm like, oh, get this thing off me, but it's too sick. I gotta keep it real with you. I'm not taking this thing off.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh. Hey, you guys, we are here today with Thanos, otherwise known as Thanos Lastra. And we have a box. I think he looks more intimidating than Thanos. Thanos is a man of integrity. Like, his ideals are awful, but he doesn't kill when he doesn't need to. Carlos looks like he's literally about to go out there and freaking just like kill everyone in sight.
Yeah, it's Thanos.
We have a box here. This is a you make it, we skate it. All right.
This is like the easiest trigger.
This is from our good friend Hector. You may have seen him here at some Braille parties a lot. He's made a lot of stuff for us. He's also done Captain America shield and some other good stuff. So today at Hexos on Instagram, we have an Avengers A skateboard for the Avengers Endgame release today, April 26th. But there's more, because you turn it around and we got the fully assembled Infinity Gauntlet with, count them, 6 stones. The Soul Stone, Reality Stone, Space Stone, Power Stone, Time Stone, Mind Stone. That was the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. Thanos, stop looking at me. This is beautiful. We're gonna set this up and we're gonna skate this after we do a Thanos versus Avengers game of skate. So basically, Thanos right here is gonna play Fetty, Nigel, and Uzi in a game of skate.
Captain America, Thor, and Black
Falcon.
Widow.
Why I gotta be Black Widow?
Because you find like Scarlett Johansson.
I thought he was gonna say Black Panther, and I was like, okay.
No, he's dead.
Are we good to go, brothers? The power of infinity under my feet right now. Can anyone else kickflip it in one try to make me feel bad about my life? Thank you. Here's what's gonna happen, Thanos. The Braille-Vengers are gonna play you in a game of skate. If you win, you get to snap us all out of existence. If we win, we get the gauntlet. How does that sound? I think his hands are too small to actually use the gauntlet correctly. Carlos kind of looks like Thanos' son who like stayed home and like found the Infinity Gauntlet in like a drawer. He's just wearing around the house. This is the shortest Thanos in history. Seriously, this is Thanos' son. Thanos versus the 4 Braille-Vengers. 4 out of the 6, yeah. I am Tony Stark. For some reason, he's Rocket Raccoon. We have Captain America and Black Widow.
Why am I Black Widow?
Because you're a widow.
Thanos, are you ready? Yes! I win. The only thing the gauntlet isn't good at is Rochambeau. So let me reiterate the rules here. If we win, we get to take the gauntlet, Nigel, and use it for good and bring back all of our dead friends. If Thanos wins, he gets to snap the rest of us out of existence. As a big thanks to Hector, we're gonna skate his board separately afterwards, full park, do some cool tricks on it. But right now we're gonna do the game of skate. So I think we'll go in a specific order. And then on defense, I believe we should probably only get like 1 try, right? You can choose whoever wants to go, but only 1 try.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
You should have been patient. Wow. Tony Stark, see, that's why you got stabbed.
Just come to my attention that Uzi is no longer Rocket. he is actually Star-Lord for just screwing up the entire game for us. When the Avengers were fighting Thanos on Titan, they sent their best, and it still was not enough. So we have one try to do this, okay? Otherwise, we're gonna have to go into the quantum realm and 14,605 scenarios in which we lose. How about we play Thanos? That's a T. He's not the only one cursed with knowledge. Avengers assemble. Team meeting. Team meeting. Who is best here at Fakey Heels?
I mean,
I
I
am
can do
not.
them.
I feel like we're all in a position that we can just do them.
I'll do it.
Nigel, you got this. TH8 for Thanos.
Ow! Ah, it dented my soul. Look at that.
We are a team! Let's go, Natasha.
Guys, you're on the same team.
Civil War.
Leave it to Thanos to do something like that. I'll try. I haven't done that trick in a while.
Ant-Man has gone rogue.
Happy learned how to putt.
Thanos don't play no games.
So our team strategy of messing up every other trick on offense is not working out very well for us right now. He is the Mad Titan after all. Yeah. It's time to get the nanotech dagger out, but instead of it getting broken off and stabbed through my stomach, I'm gonna stab it right through his head. We've learned before that we should have aimed for the head.
Comes right back just like my shield.
Are you kidding me?
Did we all get a try on defense on the last trick?
I guess so, yeah.
I'm giving you my try.
So this is another one.
I'm gonna nanotech my talents over to you. We lost again. We lost again. If we can't protect the Earth, can be damn well sure we'll avenge it. Thanos wants to ollie to 5 before he disintegrates us. It's pretty easy. Well, I thought that would take him longer, but it looks like we're getting dusted now then.
Mm-hmm.
Yeet! We're back alive. Look at that. We were gone for a whopping 5 seconds.
That was the grab blunt. He's gonna do the regular blunt.
Wow.
Oh God.
Wow.
You're gonna let Infinity War go out with just an ollie?
Oh man. You alright?
I'm Captain America, I don't die.
He can do this all day.
This is America.
Up into a wall.
Man. Well, that didn't work.
Dear Lord. Oh,
Oh no, no, no.
well, like, comment, subscribe.
Oh.
The Thanos is too great to handle.
Oh man, you just got Thanos right there. Betty, you want to do the 5?
Try ollie.
Yeah.
I hate when I get insta bruise because you know when they happen, like right immediately. That's what happens.
That thing is gonna kill someone, dude.
Man, pain sinking in. What is, dude? Can I get a break? That's why when I saw that, all I thought was this. What? Same time, same tone, dude. What?
Did you hear that?
What?
We made it at the same time.
I was surprised that worked.
What?
Carlos and I have never been more in sync.
That whole thing, dude. Like,
Yesterday, the truck gave me instant bruise right here.
I'm not ever faking my injuries. I just don't care. I'll just come back every day.
The truck instant bruised me yesterday.
Oh! Yeah! Yes!
Very clean.
Yes, dude, that was awesome. Look, goes first.
Get the nose slide back to back. Follow Hector at Hexauce. Big thanks to him for sending us this amazing Infinity Gauntlet. That was a lot of fun. Click right there for a bunch of videos that you guys will enjoy. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we will see you tomorrow. Go to brailleskateboarding.com for all of your skateboarding needs.
My spoon's too big.